Want to set up a Degiro account but don't know how? Well, today I'm going to show you. I'm Cian and welcome to the Learnings Report, a show where we make investing accessible and understandable for everyone. This week we'll be talking about how to set up a Degiro account. If you're based in Europe, Degiro is one of the main brokers that Europeans use. It is based in the Netherlands and you can set it up if you have an EU, Swiss or Norwegian bank account. The pros are that it's cheap, it's accessible to investors in the EU and in Ireland, which is where our channel is based. You have access to worldwide markets, you have access to a good variety of asset classes, and it has a pretty decent interface. Some of the cons of Degiro: there are no fractional shares, there's not that many educational tools or resources, and there is no linking to a credit card or debit card, which can be problematic if you use an account like Revolut, for example. So, how do you set up the account? Well, firstly, you want to download the app from the Play Store or the App Store. For this run through, I'll be using an Android phone, so I'll be using the Play Store. So when it's downloaded, you can open the app. Now it says it only takes a few minutes to set up. However, it will probably take longer for you to get verified. The whole process for me, after verifying my address and linking my bank account, took about 10 days. Although at the time of recording, Degiro were experiencing heavy volumes of signups. As a quick note, you can also register on desktop, but for this video, I'll be looking at mobile. So to start, choose your country. As I said, you'll need an EU, Norwegian or Swiss bank account to link to Degiro. Enter your email, username and password, and then you'll just have to quickly verify your email. Once that's verified, you will then input your personal data. And once you do all this, you'll then need to link your bank account. Just as a quick note, this bank account has to be a registered bank. So at the time of recording, for example, you cannot use your Revolut account or TransferWise account. Next up, you have to verify your identity. So this involves uploading an ID. I know you're eager to get investing, but unfortunately it will take some time for Degiro to verify your ID. Once you're verified, you are then required to enter your tax info, sign these agreements, which I'm sure you'll read through in full, and make your first deposit into your account. Once all this has been verified and you've completed all this information, you'll have to choose between a basic profile or a custody profile. I won't go into too many details on this, but on a very high level, a basic profile gives you access to all the available products in Degiro, except for things like debit money, debit securities, and derivatives. So this is quite a standard account type when you register for Degiro. If at a later point you want to upgrade to an active or a trader account, you are able to with a basic account. So this would give you access to trade on options or futures, as well as investing on margin. The other profile you can sign up for is a custody profile. The biggest difference here is that your money cannot be loaned out to third parties. If you set up a custody account though, you cannot upgrade to an active or a day trader account. There are also different fees and conditions associated with a custody profile. Overall, you'll still benefit from the low transaction costs of Degiro and save money. I have a link in the description to the differences between the profiles from Degiro's website, so if you want to learn more, you can check it out there. So for the rest of this example, I decided to choose a basic profile. Once you decide, you can then read through all the agreements and accept them if you are comfortable with them, and confirm via SMS. Depending on what you want to trade, you might be asked some quiz questions to make sure you understand what it is that you are trading. So once all of that is done, then hey ho, welcome to Degiro. You are now ready to trade. They have kindly included a tour of the app to show you how to use it, including searching for a product, making orders, keeping track of your orders, keeping an eye on your overall account, checking the news, seeing your notifications, and withdrawing or depositing some money. Thank you for watching the video. I now hope you're able to start investing on Degiro. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. As we've said, we're making this channel for you, so anything that you're unsure of or want to know more about, please let us know. Oh, and if you'd like to learn more, please subscribe to our channel, leave us a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.